Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the lecture series of the 3D game development using Unity Engine. In the last session, we done with the rotation of the game object. So this is your interface or the layout. When we press the key R, the game object gets rotated with the 45-degree in positive direction. So now in this session, we start with the most important part of the game development, which is your collision detection. Let us start with the designing for this. Now create a new scene, go to the scene, right click, create. We have to create a new scene. So this is my collision detection scene, collision detection. Then save the previous scene. Okay, now again plane. So this is my plane, this is my plane. Now we can change the size of the plane horizontally or vertically, and then we move the plane. Okay, now next, game object, 3D object, sphere. So this is my sphere. You can now go to the material. We already have a different materials. You can use any this material. These materials are created in the previous videos. Okay, now drag and drop the material here, and then this one. Now we add a gravity, that is your rigid body, to this sphere, rigid body. So now this is my sphere. Okay, now we start with the scripts. Go to the scripts, right click, create C# script. Now this is my script for collision. Test. Double click. Now okay, for collision detection in Unity we have a 3 method. The first one is your on collision enter. So now this is my first method. Then second, on collision stay, and third is your on collision exit. So these are the 3 methods, right, specially given for the collision detection in Unity. On collision enter, okay, I am printing debug dot log. Debug is a class, log is a method. Now here we print a message. The game object is on plus collision object. I am using this collision object, this one, dot game object dot name dot name. So I am printing the name of the game object when the collision or the game object enters on the plane. Same way, debug dot log, then again within bracket the game object is stay on the plane, is stay on, and then plus collision object dot game object dot name. In the same way, debug dot log within bracket the game object exited is exited from the plus. Again I am printing the name of the game object, that is the name. So these are the three methods. Okay, हमने debug.log में we are printing the different messages. Okay, when the object collide with the plane, collision occurs, it will display a message, the game object is hit the plane, suppose, and then it is stay on this plane, so it will print the game object is stay on the plane, and then on collision exit, so game object is exited from the plane. We also have a movement script, movement with arrow. In the last video I had explained you, so we also use this script on the sphere. Here we are moving the game object using arrow keys. Now go to the Unity, then drag and drop the script on sphere. As we can see, there is a script, and then movement with arrow script, this one, drag and drop this also. So we are applying a two script on the same object, collision test and movement arrow. Now just click on play button and go to the console. The output is not displaying. Why? Because we are not checking the view alignment and the camera alignment. So go to the camera, see there is a no view available in the camera. Go to the game object, align with view. So यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. Now click on play button. Then this sphere collide with the plane. So as we can see here, the game object is hit the plane. This is my first method. On collision, enter. Now since the object is stay on the plane, that's why every time it is displaying, it is on the plane. It is on the plane, as we can see here. Now I am moving the object using arrow key. Okay, go to the end of this. See, the game object is exited from the plane. So these are the three methods that are used for the collision detection. This is a script, right? This is my script. Okay, now in the next video I will explain you how do we destroy the object when we collide with the wall or any obstacles in the game. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.